Well, it's been a long time since I've been able to work on the boat, at least the new sailboat, or even this Mirage 5.5 that was given to me, or anything else for that matter that has to do with Shoestring Shipyard. And you can see everything is just overgrown. I haven't been able to get to it for a number of different reasons, but now things are so overgrown they're beyond hitting it with the lawnmower. And so what I need is a weed whacker or something. And the problem is the weed whacker we have, well, they don't last long around here. It doesn't work anymore. So, geez, I really have to do something with all this stuff. Goldenrod and everything else, all kinds of other big weeds, things popping up. So I got to knock all this down before I can resume work on the sailboat. So one possible solution, get another weed whacker. Didn't want to spend a lot of money on one though, so I went online and Home Depot had some Ryobi battery operated ones, inexpensive, with veterans discount. It was around 50 bucks, and they shipped it right to my door without any shipping charge. So that was actually cheaper than if I went to the store, because that'd be, well, with the high cost of gasoline and all, it would cost me more to go to the store than to simply have it ship it to the door. So I did. So let's look and see what we got. Well, this is how it arrived. And this runs off the 18 volt battery that most Ryobi battery operated tools run on. They do have a weed whacker that's more heavy duty and runs off a larger battery, 40 volt, but it's significantly more expensive, and that kind of money's not in the budget, and I don't have any 40 volt Ryobi tools or charger for it, which means I'd have to buy a whole kit and be even more money. I was able to purchase this, just the tool only, because I already have the battery charger, and I have a number of these Ryobi 18 volt batteries, so that made it less expensive. Now I don't expect much from it because it's not exactly a heavy duty trimmer, but as long as it gets the job done so I can get back to work, I'll be happy. It's really just for light work, and it's going to be doing some heavy work, but that's just the way it is. Well, okay, so I guess you just have to put it together. I see. I'll read the instructions, and it doesn't look like there's too much to it. And they even want me to write a review. Well, I got these two pieces together, and you would think it's pretty easy, but they just snap together, but the wire is too long that comes with it. It could have been a lot shorter, and it backs up and it wants to jam, and it makes it a little difficult to get this together. You can do it, you just have to struggle a little bit with it. And then all that's left is to put this brush guard in place. So let me just line it up with the screw holes. It comes with 4 screws. It's just plastic. Oops. So I have a battery, which is one I had, doesn't come with it. Hey! Alright, well, let's see how well it works out in the field. Well, it's not the best weed whacker in the world, but it does seem to work okay. And these are heavy duty stalks. I really should do something, you know, maybe some kind of sickle, you know, manual thing for those. But as far as the lighter weeds, it goes right through them. It does what a weed whacker is supposed to do. And again, it is a light duty machine, but this is going to get me down to the point where I can bring the mower in and the mower will handle the rest. So I think we're good.